Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks banking errors fast. Yeah, if your bank isn't connecting or your transactions aren't updating, it can be really frustrating, but most of the time, it's actually a simple fix. So first, check if the problem is coming from your bank's side. Sometimes banks go under maintenance or their servers are temporarily down, and QuickBooks just can't connect during that time. Next, go to the banking section in QuickBooks and try refreshing the connection. Yeah, just hit the update button and wait a few seconds. This can fix small syncing issues pretty quickly. If that doesn't work, then go ahead and disconnect your bank account and reconnect it again. I know it sounds a bit extra, but this basically resets the connection and often solves the problem. After that, double-check your login details. Even a small change in your bank password or security settings can stop QuickBooks from connecting properly, and yeah, if you're using QuickBooks Online, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different browser. Sometimes the issue is just with stored data or extensions. So yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix QuickBooks banking errors. In most cases, these steps should get everything working again without much effort. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.